Hello and welcome to our live software news broadcast. In today's news, GPT-4 has officially been released. OpenAI, a startup that has received backing from Microsoft Corp., has started releasing GPT-4, a highly advanced artificial intelligence model that surpasses the technology that powers the popular ChatGPT. The latest version of the model is multimodal, which means it can generate content from both text and image prompts. GPT-4 can recognize objects in pictures and analyze them, whereas the previous iteration, GPT-3.5, only took text prompts. In addition, GPT-4 can generate responses that are over 25,000 words long, which is more than 8 times the length that GPT-3.5 can manage. The new model is also 82% less likely to respond to disallowed content and has a 40% higher factual accuracy. Developers using GPT-4 can also choose the tone and verbosity of their AI's style, which was not possible with the previous version. GPT-4 can respond to questions with questions, which is a unique Socratic style of conversation. ChatGPT users will soon have the option to change the tone and style of the chatbot's responses. GPT-4 has outperformed its predecessor in tests such as the U.S. bar exam and the Graduate Record Examination, GRE. It can also calculate taxes and create websites from hand-drawn mock-ups. However, like its predecessors, GPT-4 has limitations, and it is less capable than humans in many real-world scenarios. The model has difficulty with inaccurate responses, known as hallucinations. Only ChatGPT Plus subscribers and software developers on a waitlist will have access to the text input feature of GPT-4, while the image input feature is not publicly available yet. The subscription plan costs $20 per month and offers faster response times and priority access to new features and improvements. GPT-4 powers Microsoft's Bing AI chatbot and some features on language learning platform Duolingo's subscription tier. Although GPT-4 can rival human propagandists in some domains, it needs to be paired with a human editor to achieve this level of performance.